with today's ranting roundup of tech news for December 12th, 2011. I'm Eric Mack, and we had a power outage here at the house last night that went on for like 9 hours, which, being disconnected in tech news time for that long is kind of like being in a coma for a month. So for me, it's like I'm walking around today in a world where we haven't had Thanksgiving yet, the Kindle Fire hasn't come out yet, the Galaxy Nexus still hasn't been released in the United States. So, I'm glad I'm not living in that world. But in the real tech news today, the Kindle Fire is real. It's $199, and apparently it's a case of you get what you pay for. Which is basically a tablet with minimal hardware, a slow web browser, a touchscreen that's inconsistent, and no privacy. That is to say that your family can pick up your tablet and see all the Christmas shopping that you've been doing from it, which could actually be good, because then your kids can just go right onto the tablet and cancel the Kindle Fire that you ordered for them as a gift. But Amazon is saying not so fast. They're going to be sending out an update, over-the-air update, that will fix this privacy problem, apparently, as well as some of the other complaints and issues that have been surfacing in the few weeks that the tablet's been out. Of course, some of those concerns are about hardware, in which case you'll just have to wait for the next Kindle Fire, which is supposed to be coming out sometime next year, along with a new iPad. The latest rumor this week is that the iPad 3 is coming next year, coming this spring, I should say. Also that it cures malaria and it tastes like teriyaki. I mean, why not? I've got about as much confidence in those rumors as in any others at this point. Moving on to antitrust news that's potentially hugely important, but so dense it makes me want to cry. Dish Network says that if the AT&T T-Mobile merger fails, they might want to merge with T-Mobile. Isn't Paul Rudd in this movie too? This sounds awful familiar. But of course, it's really not a love triangle. It's all about spectrum. These carriers are all nothing but shallow spectrum diggers. Yeah, that's the best I can do. I've got no other good one-liners about wireless spectrum, sorry. Tell you what, let's just pretend my electricity never came back on today. That's your tech news. I'm Eric Mack. Lights out.